Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at Settings because that's where Xiaomi keeps display controls. Tap Display to reach scale and font options. You do this now to avoid guessing later. Once there, check current font size and display size so you can compare before and after. Make sure battery is above 10% and no screen record in progress. This prevents accidental UI lag while resizing. Now tap font size first to begin adjusting the readable baseline for all apps. You'll fine-tune two controls, font size and display size, scaling. Move the font size slider until sample text looks balanced, larger if reading is hard, smaller if layout feels cramped. Then change display size to scale icons, buttons, and settings. This affects tap targets and layout density. Use the preview area to inspect home screen and app layouts. If text wraps oddly or buttons overlap, make smaller adjustments. You can always tap. Once done, confirm the look across a few apps to ensure usability. You want readable text and tappable buttons. If the system is slow or UI elements misrender, restart the phone first. This clears temporary layout issues. If a specific app breaks, clear its cache or enable compatibility mode in app settings. This forces proper scaling. As a last resort, reset display settings to default to restore original metrics, and then repeat adjustments more conservatively to avoid repeating the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.